Have you ever been on a project where different teams felt like they were working on completely separate initiatives, where the left hand did not know what the right hand was doing? That is a project in trouble, and it is precisely why integration management is your project management superpower. You're going to learn how to unify all aspects of a project, transforming chaos into a cohesive, successful effort. This is not just theoretical, it is crucial for passing your certified associate in project management exam and excelling in your project leadership career. You have already built a strong foundation, understanding the core project management fundamentals and the essential people and roles that drive project success. Now we are ready to build something tangible. Welcome to the Predictive Project Management section, where we will meticulously plan projects the traditional way, ensuring every detail is accounted for before execution begins. This section is packed with 15 essential lectures that will equip you with a disciplined approach to project planning. First, this lecture, Integration Management Overview, will give you the foundational understanding of how everything connects. Then, in Develop Project Charter, you will learn how to formally authorize a project. We will then create a high-level project scope, defining the project's boundaries. Following that plan, project management will show you how to pull all subsidiary plans together. Understanding baselines will clarify what you are measuring against. Change Control Made Simple will teach you how to manage inevitable changes effectively. Requirements Management Basics will focus on defining what needs to be built. Quality Planning Basics will ensure deliverables meet expectations. Resource Planning Basics will cover acquiring and managing your team and materials. Communications Planning Basics will make sure everyone stays informed. Risk Management Planning Basics will prepare you for uncertainties. Procurement Planning Basics will guide you through external purchases. Stakeholder Engagement Planning Basics will help you involve the right people effectively. Finally, we will distinguish between executing versus monitoring and controlling, and explore work performance data, information, and reporting. This section is your roadmap to building robust project plans, a skill that is invaluable both for your exam and for your career. Let us dive in and master predictive planning. Remember, in the Project Management Fundamentals section and the People and Roles section, we laid the groundwork and understood the human element. Now, with a solid grasp of those concepts, it is time to move from understanding what project management is and who does it, to how we actually plan and deliver a project. The exam frequently tests your ability to connect these phases, understanding that all previous efforts feed into a comprehensive plan, and that plan needs constant integration. So what exactly is integration management? Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra. Each musician or knowledge area like scope, schedule, or cost plays their part. But without a conductor, there is just noise. Integration management is the project manager's role in ensuring all these diverse elements are coordinated, synchronized, and working harmoniously towards the project's overall objectives. It is about making holistic decisions, managing interdependencies, and ensuring that changes in one area are carefully considered for their impact across the entire project. This is simpler than it sounds because it is a mindset of connectivity. The Project Management Institute defines project integration management as the processes and activities to identify, define, combine, unify, and coordinate the various processes and project management activities within the project management process groups. It is not just about combining documents, it is a continuous, strategic effort to manage expectations, make trade-offs, and ensure overall project performance. A common misunderstanding is that integration management is merely about compiling plans. Instead, it is the dynamic process of making unified decisions throughout the project lifecycle, often requiring difficult choices between competing objectives. This is where the rubber meets the road, where theory transforms into practical application. Consider the vital process of developing the project management plan. This plan is not created in isolation, it is the ultimate integration of all subsidiary plans. For instance, your scope management plan, schedule management plan, and cost management plan are developed by different teams or individuals. These are your subsidiary plans. The project management plan then takes these individual plans and ensures they align perfectly. Let us use a quick example. Imagine you're launching a new online training course. The content team creates the scope management plan, outlining all modules and lessons. The marketing team develops the communications management plan, detailing how to promote the course. The technical team drafts the resource management plan, specifying server requirements and software. The project management plan integrates these. If the content team decides to add 3 new modules, this change to the scope management plan immediately impacts the schedule management plan by extending timelines, and the cost management plan by increasing development expenses. The project management plan, through integrated change control, ensures these impacts are assessed and approved holistically, maintaining a unified project direction. This avoids disconnected efforts and ensures everyone is working from the same integrated blueprint. Now, let us put this into a real-world scenario. Project Manager David is leading a complex office relocation project. The facilities team is focused on physical setup, the information technology team on network infrastructure, and the human resources team on communication and employee support. David unfortunately views each team as a silo, letting them proceed independently without much cross-functional coordination. The facilities team orders new furniture that requires specific power outlets, but the information technology team has already finalized the network cabling layout with standard outlets. The human resources team plans an employee orientation session for the day after the move, unaware that the network will still be down. What should David have done to prevent this chaos? David needed to actively engage in project integration management from the start. He should have established clear communication channels, held regular integrated planning meetings, and implemented an integrated change control process. This would have identified the power outlet mismatch and the network downtime conflict early. The consequence of David's lack of integration is significant delays, frustrated employees, and unexpected budget overruns due to rework. The crucial lesson here is that proactive integration prevents costly and morale-damaging issues. On your exam, look for scenarios that highlight the importance of cross-functional coordination and unified decision-making. You have now grasped the profound importance of integration management, understanding it as the central nervous system of any successful project. With this holistic perspective firmly in mind, our next logical step in the predictive project management section is to formally kick off a project. In the next lecture, Develop Project Charter, you will learn exactly how to create this critical document that formally authorizes a project and empowers the project manager. Get ready to learn the very first step in bringing a project to life and setting it up for integrated success. You are now equipped with the understanding that project management is not a collection of separate tasks, but a beautifully orchestrated symphony. Integration management is your conductor's baton, ensuring every part plays in harmony. This holistic view is your key to unlocking efficiency, mitigating risks, and achieving project objectives consistently. Keep this integrated mindset with you as we move forward to plan each specific aspect of our project. You are building a powerful toolkit for success, one lecture at a time.